Hello, this is Jay at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. As you can see, we have a new addition to our lot. This is a Drakkar 280cc, 28-foot boat. Nice, big, heavy boat. Great for going offshore fishing. This is actually a new manufacturer coming into the United States market. They're based out of Brazil, and this is one of their first ones they've made. A very impressive boat. As we walk towards the transom here, you notice that it's powered between 225 Mercuries. These Mercuries only have about less than 10 hours on them, so essentially it's pretty much a brand new boat. Let's go top side and I'll show you some of the great feature. Top side on the Drakkar, you can see it right away. It's fully SeaDecked out. Very, very nice look. You have this flip down bench seat. Really like the upholstery, cross stitching on it. Very nice look. Another thing I really like about this boat is it has the see-through live well here, so you can see what's in there and pick the bait that you need for that certain situation. We do have raw water hookup as well as a freshwater hookup on this boat as well. Here would be a nice little prep station here. You got your fresh water, and this right here could be used as a prep station as well. Here at the helm, you notice it has two nice Simrad screens there. Your Mercury vessel view with all your engine diagnostics. Fusion stereo system. We have a Simrad VHF, and we also have radar on this boat as well. Pretty much everything you need to go fishing. I like the stainless steel push button controls here, very nicely appointed, very accessible. This also has bolster seating. And as you can see, the upholstery throughout is just a very, very nice look, very sturdy. Here at the bow, we have this great area for entertaining. I like how you have this full seat right here, fits about 3 people. Also, you have a seat in front of the console here. You'll have your fish box here on the floor. One of my favorite things about this boat is the head. Plenty of room down there. I'm about 5'10", still have plenty of room to stand up. I'd say probably about 6 foot of room. This is also a nice feature how they make it very easily accessible to get to all your electronics and anything you might need to take care of over here. Also down below, all your pumps are very easily accessible. They've definitely thought about the ease of taking care of this boat when you need to take it in for service. One of the last things I wanted to show you on this boat, how nicely everything is wired, everything's well organized, easy access to all your pumps in the back. A lot of times you'll get in here and you'll see somewhat of a nest, but they've done a really good job of putting everything together here. If you'd like to stop by the lot, feel free to come by anytime. Call me, Jay, at 850-225-9797, and we can take this out for a spin. I look forward to it.